Many people believe that building wealth requires huge capital, powerful connections, or some secret opportunity that only a lucky few can access. But over the years, I've discovered something different. Some of the most successful entrepreneurs didn't start with millions of dollars. They started with simple businesses that solved everyday problems. The truth is this: people will always need food. People will always need transportation. People will always need repairs. People will always need beauty services. People will always need convenience. And wherever there is a problem, there is an opportunity to make money. In this video, I'll share 20 profitable offline business ideas that can be started with relatively low capital and have the potential to grow into something much bigger. Before I continue with the profitable offline businesses, I want to remind you that most millionaires did not start with millions. They started with simple businesses. And if they succeeded, you too will succeed. Let's begin. Number 1. Foodstuff retailing. Every family buys food regularly. Rice, beans, gari, cooking oil, spices, and other essentials are always in demand. Starting small in your neighborhood can generate steady daily cash flow. Number 2. Mini restaurant or local food business. People get hungry every day. A clean environment, tasty meals, and good customer service can turn a small food business into a thriving enterprise. Number 3. Barbing salon. Hair grows every week. That's why a well-located barbing salon can enjoy a constant stream of customers. Number 4. Hairdressing and beauty services. From hairstyling to braiding and beauty treatments, this industry continues to create income opportunities for skilled entrepreneurs. Number 5. Laundry and dry cleaning. Busy professionals often prefer paying someone else to wash and iron their clothes. This simple service business can become surprisingly profitable. Number 6. Phone repair business. Smartphones have become essential tools of modern life. Skilled phone technicians are always in demand. Number 7. Computer repair and maintenance. Businesses, schools, and individuals constantly need help fixing laptops and desktop computers. Number 8. POS and agency banking business. Many people prefer quick financial transactions close to home. Agency banking continues to grow across many communities. Number 9. Water refill and purified water sales. Clean drinking water is a necessity, making this one of the most practical businesses in many locations. Number 10. Poultry farming. Eggs and chicken remain among the most consumed protein sources. Starting small and reinvesting profits can create significant growth. We are halfway through the list. Remember, some of these businesses have created millionaires, but the biggest opportunities are still ahead. Now let's continue. Number 11. Fish farming. Fish is widely consumed, and demand often exceeds supply. With proper management, fish farming can be highly rewarding. Number 12. Car wash business. Vehicle owners want their cars looking clean and presentable. This service can generate daily income. Number 13. Motorcycle or tricycle transport services. Transportation is a daily necessity. Properly managed transport assets can produce consistent returns. Number 14. Event decoration and rental services. Chairs, canopies, tables, and decorations are needed for weddings, birthdays, and corporate events throughout the year. Number 15. Printing and photocopy business. Students, businesses, and institutions regularly need printing, photocopying, and document services. Number 16. Cleaning services. Many homes and offices outsource cleaning tasks. A reliable cleaning business can scale rapidly. Number 17. Tailoring and fashion design. People constantly need new clothes, alterations, and custom fashion pieces. Number 18. Furniture making. From chairs to wardrobes and office furniture, skilled craftsmen can build highly profitable businesses. Number 19. Building materials supply. Construction never truly stops. Supplying cement, sand, blocks, and other materials can become a lucrative venture. Number 20. Agricultural produce trading. Farmers need buyers, and consumers need food. Acting as the bridge between both groups can create excellent profit opportunities. Now here's the lesson most people miss. The best business is not always the newest business. Sometimes the biggest opportunities are hidden in ordinary industries that people overlook. A small business started today can become a large company tomorrow. What matters most is choosing one opportunity, serving customers well, managing your finances wisely, and remaining consistent. Many successful entrepreneurs started with less than they needed, but they started anyway. And that decision changed their lives. That is to remind you that success rarely begins with perfect conditions. It begins with a decision. The question is, which of these business ideas would you be willing to start today? Let me know in the comments. I wrote a full detailed guide on 50 best profitable offline business ideas you can start today with low capital in my blog at lucrativebusinessideas.com. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical business, investment, and wealth building insights. See you in the next video. Keep winning.